Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. For those who are new here, kindly subscribe. For our subscribers and for those who are returning, thank you so much. Welcome back. So today I'm making a mixed berry smoothie, and basically the ingredients are the blueberries, strawberry, raspberry, and yogurt and laban. Laban is like fermented milk. So here we have the frozen fruits, that is the frozen blueberries, mixed berries, mixed fruits. They are all the same but packed in different packages. So I purchased the frozen ones, I removed them for some time to defrost them, and now I'm going to use them for making the smoothie. I preferred to use the frozen ones. So I've put the blueberries first and then the pomegranate, and then now I'm having the mixed berries. Then we have the strawberries also. The advantage of working with frozen fruits is that once you defrost them, they come without soup. The water that will defrost will form juice, a nice juice of those fruits. So we have more mixed berries. So the reason I purchased different types of packets is because some packets have more of strawberries, others more of blueberries, others more of raspberries, but it depends on anyone. You can use fresh fruits, or you can pick even only one packet and use it, because most of the packets have the mixed berries together. So we have yogurt, any yogurt that you wish, and then we have laban. Laban is fermented milk, so I want to use both the laban and the fermented milk. we have here Laban, that is the fermented milk, and also we have yogurt. So for making the smoothie, I'll use Laban and yogurt. You can use one if you want to use yogurt alone, it's okay. If you want to use the fermented milk alone, it's okay. But I want it to be a little bit thick, so that's why I'm using the fermented milk and the yogurt. Pour in the yogurt and the Laban in the blender, and then blend it so that it can mix well, because of course the yogurt is having some lumps or is a bit thick, so you want them to blend properly. So pour them in first. Then pour in the fruits one by one as you blend. So blend for some time, and if you find that it's a lot, you can reduce so that it cannot overflow. That's exactly what I did. So blend for some time. So as I was blending, I realized that I had more than enough, so I had to reduce, and then I'll reblend it later. So now I'm adding pomegranate. So finally you come up with a very nice mixed berry smoothie that is very healthy. The smoothie can be taken with meals. You can take it in the evening, you can take it in the morning as breakfast. I prefer it in the morning as breakfast. It's so filling. So thank you so much for staying tuned, and welcome back again. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Press the notification bell so that in case we post a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you so much. Ciao, adios.